All right, if you are a homeowner and you're thinking about making a move in the next year, and you might have ADD, you might want to listen up to this. If we don't know each other, my name's Danny Hampton. I am a real estate agent with Real Broker in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. And I work with my husband, who is also a licensed real estate agent and loan officer who left corporate America over 6 years ago. And I have been in real estate for over 13 years. And we do a lot of business on the Fort Worth side of Dallas, Fort Worth. If you are a homeowner and maybe you have ADD, whether that's diagnosed or self-diagnosed, these tips might be able to help you before you invite a real estate agent inside your house. If you are ADD, then you might be able to have that superpower to hyper focus, but it's important that you know exactly what to hyper focus on. So if you are considering putting your house on the market and maybe you're just not ready to have an agent inside your house to give you that actual game plan, I hope these tips will help you. The best way to organize this is over a 90-day plan. At first 30 days, I'm all about focusing on getting things out of the house so that way you can truly see what you need to do to get your house ready. You're going to go through room by room, and every time you're in a room and you are seeing something that could be thrown away, go ahead and do it. After everything is thrown away, you're gonna want to donate and sell. You are now gonna go do the same thing, go room by room, and now create piles of things that you want to donate and things that you want to sell. Personally, I'm someone who does not want to fight with the marketplace online, so I am all about donations. If you have any local charities that might be able to do a pickup, go ahead and create those buckets or bins that you can do your donations and your selling. Day 30 through day 45, I'm all about starting to pack. These are the things that you are not using right now and you're not going to use, especially while you're in the process of selling your house. So go ahead and put it in a box just like you were packing if you were going to move tomorrow. Side tip, most agents usually say put it in your garage. You do not have to get a storage unit if you don't have to, but if you have a pretty open space in your garage and it's not necessarily a selling feature, go ahead and just create a pile of boxes so that way you do not have to have that added expense of a storage unit. The second part of that second month, I'm all about just going ahead and doing the deep cleaning. Once you've gotten a lot of stuff removed or put into boxes, now you can start to see a little bit more around your house and the things that buyers are going to see and do that deep cleaning. Once you're done with all that deep cleaning, now you're probably going to see the things that need to be repaired, especially those cabinets or those baseboards. Maybe they took a few too many hits and now you need to actually paint them or touch them up. Depending on your motivation, this might fall somewhere around month 2 to month 3 where you're doing your deep cleaning and your repairs. Now you can actually have that agent come inside your house and truly give you the advice of the things that you can do to improve your value and to stage your property to list. Just a heads up, as an agent, I always want to know about listings sooner. So if you feel comfortable with someone to invite them into your home before you've done any of these steps, feel free to do that because we want to see your home, and I promise you we have seen it all. For my people who have ADD or might have something like it, always look for those daily wins or those weekly wins. So whether that is doing a room a week or doing a bin a day, these are things that are going to help you keep moving forward. It's all about progress and it's not about perfection. If you found this helpful, give me a follow, save it for later, send it to a friend, and comment below.